Welcome to the future. Foundation, noun. 1. A basis upon which something stands or is supported. 2. A body or ground upon which something is built up or overlaid. 3. An underlying base or support, the whole masonry substructure of a building. The most important part of any structure is the foundation. It is the very basis that every building is dependent upon. A sound structure begins with a solid foundation. A weak structure is built upon a poor foundation. A solid foundation ensures stability, longevity, and strength. In our modern world of speed and cost replacing quality and workmanship, sometimes that simple process can be overlooked. But what if you could lay a foundation that is stronger than traditional methods, yet is less expensive and only requires half the construction time? This video will show you just how such a feat is possible. This revolutionary concept will change the way foundations are laid forever. Introducing the MonoPour Bracket. Spread footing foundations consist of strips or pads of concrete which transfer the loads from walls and columns to the soil or bedrock. Spread foundations are traditionally laid in two passes. The first is the footing, which is laid in a single pass. The second is the wall, which is added on top of the footing. While this is the tried and true methodology, there are several downsides. The first is time and cost. Two separate passes are required to lay each individual piece. Creating the foundation in two passes means that the load-bearing joint of these two parts can create gaps, air pockets, and weak points. Also, the need to use a wooden substructure creates the possibility of internal rotting, which threatens the integrity of the structure. But what if you could lay the entire foundation in one pass, with the footing and wall laid in a single pour? Not only does this cut the construction time in half, but also creates the foundation as a single solid unit. Doing so removes the need for a wooden substructure. This creates a structure unaffected by time or the elements. Being a single solid unit, the foundation will outlast any foundation built using traditional methods. The MonoPour bracket creates a support structure which can receive the entire volume of concrete needed to build the foundation in one pouring. This is how it works. Much like conventional foundation forming, with a footing of specific width and thickness and a wall of specific width and height, the MonoPour bracket creates a simple, stronger, and quicker process for forming. The MonoPour bracket straddles your 2x footing forms and is designed to support and accept your 1x1/8 inch wall forms for a strong and secure monolithic form. With its unique design, the MonoPour bracket has the potential to support walls over 4 feet tall. In addition, the MonoPour bracket also has designated notches to receive your number 4 rebar upright and 2 holes punched to suspend your 2 number 4 rebar for your footing. Stripping of the panels once the wall has been poured is just as easy. Like conventional forming, the 1x1/8 inch wall panels just lift out, and by simply bending back the footing tab, the footing forms lift out, leaving the MonoPour bracket in the wall. Let's go over the benefits of using the MonoPour bracket. Speedy install. The MonoPour bracket takes half or less than half the time of a traditional foundation because it lays the entire foundation in one pass. Ease of use. The MonoPour bracket is simple to assemble, uses standard wall forms and spreader brackets, and eliminates several steps from the standard methodology for laying a foundation, while still utilizing the foundation forming materials already owned by the concrete contractors. Labor cost cut by more than half. Not only does the MonoPour bracket eliminate one full concrete and possible pump truck pour, it also cuts labor time because there is no need to install 1x4 cleats, no nailing of spreaders into green footings, and the only trolling involved is the top of the wall. Complete bond between wall and footing. The MonoPour bracket is excellent for basements because no seam means the foundation is watertight. No keyway is needed. Lower material costs. No 1x4s, no concrete short load cost, and half the cost for a pump truck, estimated at $500. Faster forming and pouring results in more money for the contractor. The MonoPour bracket method is superior to the standard for several additional reasons. Rising concrete costs. Pouring the foundation in one pass eliminates waste and excess concrete being used in every application. Superior alternative to standard foundation pouring in strength and support. One single piece of concrete eliminates rotten 1x4s, breeding molds, mildew, and weep holes. An excellent answer to rising labor costs. Its superior ease of use results in speedy job completion. A complete bond between walls and footing adds strength and longevity, and is excellent for basements. With the rising popularity of single-pour foundations, the MonoPour Bracket has the potential to become a code requirement for all single-pour foundations. Traditional foundation methods, though tried and true, are becoming outdated. With new technologies come new innovations. Sometimes these innovations change the very foundation of what we know. These innovations are called revolutionary concepts, and we believe that the MonoPour Bracket is one such revolutionary concept. Simple and cost-effective, the MonoPour Bracket is the solution to a problem long plaguing construction crews since the invention of the foundation itself. If you can build a structure that is stronger, simpler, more cost-effective than traditional methods, you build a foundation that is stronger than your competition.